Hello, today we are solving JAN 2023 paper question number 1 part 3. Prepare the provision for unrealized profit account. The information regarding the profit of unrealized account we have to see. So the first one is the provision balance was 2000. So the balance BD okay is 2000. And here it is said that this was on 30th December 2022. So this was on the 30th December 2022. The balance PD was 2000. Then it said that unrealized profit is to be reduced by 500. So let's transfer to the income statement. It was transferred. Okay. Value of 500, right, as an income because it has been decreased by 500. Now the balance PD we have to find. That is the balance this year then must have reduced. Okay, so the balance CD so here it's adjustment. Okay, it's also happening on 31st December. So now the new balance, okay, after calculating and adjusting will be 1500. So this will be the new balance. Okay, so that will be entered into the financial statements. Okay, then explain why Wincombe Manufacturing needs to maintain a provision for unrealized profit. So you need to maintain provision for unrealized profit for two reasons. One is you don't want profit to be overstated or the value of asset to be overstated. So what happens is in manufacturing you have unsold finished goods inventory and this should not be recorded in the profit. Okay, a profit and loss statement as it is not sold yet. So this will ensure that the profit is not overstated. That's why you need to maintain a provision for unrealized profit. Okay, you have to record it as an expense. Okay, by recording it as an expense you're trying not to overstate the profit. So you can further write provision. Okay, provision maintained as expense. Okay, so that profit is not overstated. Then even here you are not overstating the asset value as you are going to try to reduce this provision for unrealized profit of the finished goods since it is not sold yet. Okay, then next question is evaluate whether Wincombe Manufacturing should continue with its own production or it should purchase the manufactured product from other manufacturer. Now let's look at the points in favor of purchasing the manufactured product from other manufacturer. So it means it's easy, he will be able to buy and meet the customer demand and he will have less problems, like he will not avoid the problems of production and problems with suppliers. Okay, and it is also probably going to save some costs if he is able to sell off the manufacturing space or he could rent it out to get an additional income. It will also help him to solve his liquidity problem so that the non-current assets which are not used could be sold and that could be used for as a cash for expansion future plans. But let's look at what are the negative points for not purchasing the negative points for purchasing the manufactured product from the other manufacturer. So sometimes he will still not be able to meet their demand if they are not able to produce the same number of units. Okay, and also the price is at 21.5 pounds and it can increase in the future and they can make some profit or the cost, right? So they can use this price. Okay, and save the cost. So first one is they will still not be able to meet the demand if they will still not be able to meet the demand if the supplier is unable to sell those set of products. And the second one is even the quality might be lost in some cases. Okay, the manufacturer might not do a good quality, and your business might incur more costs because some fixed costs are apportioned. The some fixed costs have been apportioned, now it will not get any more, so you might incur that cost also. And also but you should also bear in mind the price of 21.50 can be raised in real terms in the future. The production cost can get increased. Okay, so this I think you can put as a positive point because it helps you to save the cost. Okay, that one. And also there is more costs, okay, involved because the costs are not going to get apportioned, and there could be staff redundancy. So you can see that there is and next one is you will have staff redundancy problems also. So need to consider social accounting aspects of decision. Jobs would be lost and the community would suffer with a major loss of income in the area. In conclusion, he should